What if I told you that you can earn your first $1,000 using AI, even if you have no experience, no money, and no special skills? Stay till the end of this video because this can literally change your income. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you realistic ways to earn your first $1,000 using AI tools, step by step in simple language. Let's get started. The first way is AI writing. You can use AI tools to write blog posts, create social media captions, and write product descriptions. Here's how you make money. Use AI to generate content, offer writing services on freelancing platforms, and charge $20, $50 per project. Just 20 clients paying $50, $1,000. You don't need perfect English. AI helps you. Method 2, AI social media content. Businesses need content every day, but they don't have time. You can use AI to create Instagram posts, write captions, and plan content calendars. Small businesses will happily pay $100, $300 per month. Just 5 clients at $200 or $1,000. Method 3, AI design and thumbnails. If you can use AI design tools, this one is powerful. You can create YouTube thumbnails, posters, and social media designs. Charge $5, $10 per design. Create 10 designs a day and you're on your way to $1,000 fast. Method 4, AI video and shorts creation. Short-form content is booming right now. You can create YouTube shorts, Instagram reels, and TikTok videos. Use AI to edit, add captions and voiceovers. Many creators pay $300, $500 per month for this service. Just 2 to 3 clients, a year, $1,000. Let me be honest with you. AI won't make you rich overnight, but if you learn one skill, practice daily, and stay consistent, your first $1,000 is 100% possible. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe for more AI income ideas, and comment $1,000 if you're serious about starting. I'll see you in the next video.